Alright, I'm out here at the Vine Street number 2 crossing in Decatur, Alabama. There's a bit of an update here to show you. First off, this signal remains unchanged. It's still completely incandescent, and yes, that is important. Because if we head over here, I don't know if that, I think it might still be the old signal. Oh, I think the rail grinder's coming, but if we head over here, yep, he's coming. But if we have over here, this signal, it has been upgraded to Leotech EV series LEDs. Right up there. You can see it, they're Leotechs. And I'm just going to show the rail grinder coming through here. They're also doing some track work over there. But yeah, and this is grinding the rail, so I'm going to be chasing this westbound. Totally on the wrong side of the light for this right here, but oh well. I don't need to be leaving, so it's over record. I'm probably got some pictures because I mean this one been the best angle we're getting at. Just right now. Well, he's not grinding here. Well, he's not grinding here, so we might be pulling back to grind later. Because I do know they gotta get out of the way for another train. Yeah, he's not grinding right now, he's just... No, he is. They're sitting down over there. They also replaced the gate lights here, but little gate arms. Replaced the gate arms here, they're still incandescent though. The gate light's still incandescent though. And also, as we watch them depart, if I zoom in down there, you can see that CSX has reported that all 3 signals over there have been replaced, sadly. Looks like they're preparing the final signal over there to be installed to replace that one. But yeah, we have an update to Vine Street number 2 featuring the Loram Rail Grinder. Over, and I'm gonna get over here. So yeah, it's an update to Vine Street number 2 featuring the Loram Rail Grinder. Over and out.